Ah, first, every year I come in India, in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, to see my friends from Kashmir, and they say one day we will be very happy if you come to Kashmir. So this year I decide I come to Kashmir to meet them, and some problem with the plane. We don't cross Pakistan. We were late because we went to Abu Dhabi, and so I have to change. And they say, perhaps it's better you don't go change your destination. I say, no, my friends are waiting for me. I want to go to Kashmir. So I went, and still I am here. It's quiet, it's okay. All the Kashmiri are very, very nice. What I don't understand in this world, because all the world is becoming crazy, everywhere. They make struggling, peace. They don't understand that peace. We have peace in the heart. We have to share the peace, each other. They are all very kind. They say, come, have tea with me, have meal with me. They all want me to come in their house, I can go in all the house of all the people I met. But I feel very good here.
So what's your message?
What? Tell me. Don't be afraid. You can be safe here with Kashmiri. I hope the political situation will be quiet and they resolve the problems. They try to speak. The better way to resolve a problem is speaking together, not fighting. And hope people can come again, Kashmir, without being afraid. That message.
Thank you.